Hey guys, Rebecca here with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Come with me while I check out this 2026 Forest River IBEX 25 RLSS. It's got one slide, one power awning, plenty of underbelly storage, or as we like to call it, the mother-in-law suite. You get dual entry. Got a nice black stone cast iron griddle. Off-road tires. This one's got a tankless water heater. All right, these are all the features that this comes with. You can pause, like to take a look. This one is 4 seasons, heated underbelly, and the heated pads. Come right in. This is your booth dinette that doubles as sleeping area. You've got quite a bit of storage above and beside. A cool little feature, you get a sweep vacuum, the central vac. All right, plenty of room on your countertops, nice little television. Got a 3-burner stove top, nice cutting board. Got your microwave convection oven air fryer. Some nice little hooks to hang whatnots. Barn style sink. The glass washer. And then this fancy pull out sprayer, or you can turn it sideways for the stream effect. You've got a pop-up outlet USB phone charger. Come over here. You've got the theater reclining love seat, TV trays, cup holders in the middle that you can flip up for a little bit more room. Here's your 12-volt fridge. All right. We've got up here 30-amp solar panel. Here's your heated holding tank system. You've got plenty of room around that sink, equipped with your medicine cabinet, storage underneath, plenty of room in the shower, queen size bed, hanging storage on both sides. Couple of drawers underneath right there. This is a pretty cool feature. You get 4 drawers underneath. If you guys have any questions with the 2026 Forest River IBEX 25 RLSS, give us a call at 903-447-2633. Thanks for watching.